Hello people, you are welcome to TEQ&MORE YouTube channel. My name is Jerry. On today's episode, I'll be taking you through simple steps on how to create 3D logo. For the benefit of those who do not know how to use Photoshop to design, you can actually design your logo in Corel Draw, convert it to PDF, then take it to Photoshop. Very simple steps that I'll teach you. Okay, before you do this, please make sure you already have your mockup downloaded from the internet. You can get, like this is my mockup here, I downloaded from the internet. You can get a free one from the internet which you don't have to pay for, or the premium one which you definitely have to pay for. Okay, now I'll go to my Corel Draw. This is my logo. I already designed it here. I already designed my logo here. So the next thing I'll do from here is just to convert this logo to PDF. I'll convert it to PDF. So how do I do this? I'll click on this published PDF here, which is shown very clearly here on the menu bar here. Or I'll go to File and then click on Publish to PDF. I'll save it wherever location I wish to. Okay. Okay. My logo is already published to PDF. It's published to PDF. You can see it here on desktop. I saved it as logo. Okay, the next thing to do now is to go to your Photoshop. Open your Photoshop, create new, then open, create. Okay, it's open here. Then I will now go to my go to File here, select Open, and then trace to your desktop where you saved the logo. Click on it, then Open. Then you have to fit this to size, then click on OK. Okay, this is my logo here. The next thing I will do is to go to File again, then Save As. I'll have to save this to PNG. So, trace down to PNG and click OK. Then, save. OK. Saving. Okay. My logo is already saved to PNG. What next? Next thing to do now is go to my mockup file on the desktop where I saved it. This is my mockup file. I'll click on this last one. That's the one I want to use. I'll open it. It's a Photoshop file, so definitely open in Photoshop. Wait for it to open. Okay, my file is already open here now. This is the file. This is the mockup I want to use to create the 3D logo I want. So now that it has opened there, the next thing to do is I will come to these layers. Look at these layers. Check the first one. You see this box rectangular shape here. You double click it. Look at. Then now that it has come to this form, now you unclick this eye. Click it. It's now empty. What next do I do? It is empty now. The next thing to do is to go to my file again. Click on Place Embedded. Place Embedded here. I'll now go to my logo, the one I saved as PNG from Photoshop. Click on it and place. Then adjust to page. Adjust it to page, however you want it. Now I'll click on this mark sign, click good sign. I'll click on it. Okay, what is the next thing? The next thing to do is to cancel the close. So I'll click on this close or cancel sign here, click on it, and then read through this and click on it. Now my logo is automatically transforming into 3D. Hold on for it. At the end of this video, please don't forget to like, share, and again, please, very important, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, this is my logo now. This is the 3D logo I want to create. This is the 3D logo. Now that I've created this logo, I don't want this trademark on it. I don't want this smart object. So I will come to this layer and then remove title. Click on this I and remove the title. It's off. It's off now. Okay. I'll now save my file to JPEG. Save as JPEG in whatever location I want. I'm saving it on desktop. Then save it with any name you want to. 3D logo. Then come to this save as type and then click on JPEG. Then OK. Saving. OK. Okay, my logo is ready. I'll go to my desktop and click. I'll open it. So this is my logo, my 3D logo here. So my 3D logo is ready. So like you have watched, that is just simple way you can create 3D logo from Photoshop and Corel Draw. That's for those who don't know how to Photoshop. Start with the simple steps I showed you. Thank you for watching this. Once more, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.